The story I'm about to tell you is a tragic one. About 3 types of birds. Deadly geese and seagulls and a few ducks. They bound together to destroy the human race. They have soaring wings and use trees down for flight. Good people died. So here's how it went.
Hey Susie, what's up?
Hey Lucy, have you seen that new zombie movie?
Oh my god, the dried blood everywhere.
Did you guys hear what John did?
No, what happened?
He cheated on me with Cynthia. She's supposed to be my best friend.
Why would you do that? Like, why would you be so rude?
Why would he even do that? She's not even cool. She's a loser.
Yeah, I know.
And especially
I never
since
liked
she hates
her.
Bob. I mean,
Cynthia.
you guys talking about me?
What are you doing here?
Guess I'm just a hot topic, aren't I?
No, you really aren't.
Haley. No. I mean, seriously, if you're gonna talk about me, no, please. I thought you were scared of me.
I'm not scared of you. What is that? Susie's dead, boy. Oh my god, what are we gonna do? The cops are not going to believe us if we tell them that a bunch of birds attacked Susie.
What if my parents are gonna kill me? I'm gonna be grounded forever.
Oh my god. Yeah, at least we lost the bird. Gosh.
Oh my god.
Do you hear that?
Oh my god. Oh, can't be. We're hiding. How can
It's up to me to save everybody. So here, it is time to get out the big button.
During the making of this film, we observed birds flapping, soaring, and gliding, using their adaptations of a large wingspan on the geese and a low aspect ratio on the seagulls. We were on location in Veterans Park in Mount Vernon and the Old Orchard Cemetery in Opdyke. No birds were harmed in the making of this film.